Hi, my name is Tristan Winokur with Meissner Filtration Products, and I'm very excited to demonstrate the PDC Aseptic Filler for you today. Are you tired of dealing with manifold spaghetti to fill your process fluids? Wouldn't it be great to get away from all that tubing, cutting, weighing, and recording that slows your process to a crawl? The PDC Aseptic Filler's unique design allows you to rapidly fill individual bags with two independently controlled fill lines, allowing maximum flexibility, minimal footprint, and extremely high throughput. Let's suppose you wanted to fill 1,000 liters of bulk liquid into 100 10-liter bags. Compared to using manifolds and at least two operators, the PDC Aseptic Filler can fill those 100 10-liter bags more than 13 times faster using a single operator. Every bag is filled individually and is automatically sealed within the aseptic filling chamber. No mess, no fuss, just insert the fill line on the bag and less than 2 minutes later, remove the sealed line and insert the next bag's fill line. And this is done in duplicate, simultaneously, with two independently operated fill stations. The aseptic filler automatically fills each bag according to the user-programmed fill volume and provides all fill volumes in an electronic record with an optional label printer to label each bag as you go. No more manually weighing and documenting each and every fill. The filler automatically dispenses the desired volume and provides an electronic batch record. The PDC Aseptic Filler features an ISO Class 5 filling chamber, which is a HEPA-filtered, self-contained environment. The filling chamber contains continuous particulate and pressurization monitoring to ensure quality and conformance throughout the filling operation. The fill chamber also features automated removal of the fill line cap, filling, and tube sealing operations within the controlled environment. The fill line is only ever exposed within the filling chamber and is sealed prior to removal from the fill chamber, ensuring end-to-end aseptic processing with no external manipulations required for welding, assembly, or sealing. The filler contains two filling stations which can be operated completely independently of each other. One station could be filling 10-liter bags, while the other fills 200-liter bags, for example. End-ported biocontainers can be supported on optional carts during fill operations. The PDC filler features two Coriolis flow meters, one for each filling station. The flow meters provide extremely accurate fills of plus or minus 1% for fills over 1 liter. A single-use fill line is installed through each flow meter and into the back of the aseptic filling chamber, providing a completely single-use fluid path. The control system is recipe-driven and features touch-screen controls in an intuitive, easy-to-navigate interface. The general overview of operating the aseptic filler is to first install the fill liner assemblies. Once the assemblies are installed, the assemblies are connected to the upstream dispensing vessel. Filling operations can then begin using constant upstream pressure or a remote pump cart. The PDC liner assembly is provided gamma irradiated and double bagged for protection. Opening the bag is easy, especially if you're using the Meissner cutting tool. I'm now removing the zip tie that holds the clip in place. The liner assembly is now ready to be inserted through the flow meter, beginning with the pull tab on the fill nozzle. We now remove the liner clip to feed the liner into the Coriolis flow meter. Note the red alignment mark on both ends of the TPE liner to ensure that the liner isn't twisted inside the flow meter. Now we'll remove the back panel so that we can thread the fill liner into the back of the PDC. Next, we install the nozzle into the fill chamber. And insert the tubing into the pinch clamp. Finally, we install the restrictor stopper. Looking at the front of the filling machine, we have the pull tab inserted into the filling chamber. So we'll open up the chamber, pull the tab down through the filling port, and with the lock pin, lock the nozzle in place. Next, we remove the aseptic cover from the fill nozzle using the pull tab that we inserted through the filling port. This ensures that the nozzle is only ever exposed inside the aseptic environment. That completes the fill liner assembly installation. Now the flow meter is ready to be zeroed and you can begin your filling. To demonstrate the filling process, we will fill 5 liters of processed liquid into a 5-liter Tepaflex polyethylene biocontainer. The PDC filler will automatically remove the silicone cap once the fill line is inserted into the filling chamber. The biocontainer will be filled according to the volumetric totalizer on the Coriolis flow meter. Once the 5-liter fill volume is reached, the PDC filler will seal the fill line automatically. Once the bag is sealed, it can be removed from the fill chamber and the next bag can be inserted. I'll now demonstrate the process. The bag fill is now complete. This 5-liter fill would typically take about 20 seconds with the PDC filler, and notice that the filler has automatically sealed the fill tubing. This bag's complete and the next bag is ready to be inserted and filled. The PDC filler contains 2 independently operated fill stations, so you could be simultaneously filling 5-liter bags or having each side fill completely different bags. 5 liters on one side and 20 liters or 200 liters on the other side, for example. Thank you for joining us for this demonstration of the PDC aseptic filling machine. For more information, please visit our website at meissner.com/PDC filler.